GC News, Nima Ubia Aquaba, had the latest and hot news in Enamide Bremo. I don't see so we now subscribe here. Omodia say over subscribe now so we can a channel who Afriyie Yobeyan say over click the subscribe button now our belly notification. Where is a new video we upload when the first person I will say Ebeka ASABU Afriyie we are now like video no give us a thumbs up Afriyie share my offer for so now when you be here now and someone so I will dana memohano Afriyie here and someone abeto your so it here and so we are equal it.
And you see how Akufo Addo my party no kwajo na me nka asem kyo me na me ka bibia kyo na wontu obi me say almost we go mahi onya no mbe bomi ombe ko nkume the truth will always stand. The truth is a better pill. Akufo Addo oba ye obeye party leader for the NPP tie me biem Akufo Addo good party ana NPP
na party ntini papa me we
kwajo me say Adwoa he since 1992 ebesi 96 and the time course you for so the manya 4 years oh manya 4 years man mantina say you see NPP people who have shown commitment, dedication, financial resources, logistics, equipment obi wo de ne kra nyina ba for the party no mantimi da so move free party and Akufo branded a new patriotic party am party ne be ya kono ma force luxurious am obi a wonye NPP ni kwa na je so be ba join the NPP major college kwachi gamo hopes na doye mo a whole host of Francis Esiamo they came to the new patriotic party because party no and numbers ne de koto aba and to go how wonye NPP ni obi se pa kwasi indumu for the blame they came to the new patriotic party reason here dey thank you wa ma de na ya kono ama na yefe and Akufo Addo out of the 32 years of the NPP in the Fourth Republic Akufo Addo leading party for 16 years
on YouTube.
1.5 over 16 years, no. 2 MPP members are running away from the MPP. Me say they are lucky. Say Kennedy Agyapong Kojo Kyeremanteng. They are lucky. Kojo Kyeremanteng and Akufo Addo were resigned on 2 occasions. In 2007, 2008, or resigned from the MPP. 2020 and 2024, you were resigned from the MPP.
Yeah.
One. Benya obi ati se Boakye Agyarko and communication Boakye Agyarko was a former MP Wadenta. Boakye Agyarko was the former communication director for the new patriotic party, with free party. You have a host of Sadiq Boniface.
Yeah.
He was even able to even be the running mate. And we refer to your friend say J Akufo and Akufo Addo. Benne with free party or be a Zongo minister. With free party. Look at big men in the new patriotic party. Hopefully, what does so friend this moon by was a day? He was an MPP person.
Candidate.
What the call? People who have labored and suffered for the party. And Akufo Addo, can you compare Agyapong the party? No? And don't tell the comments or something in your party no one or your individual differences. I can only hear no upon all the vilification attacks, the system fighting against him. The tensions of Kennedy Agyapong, a do baby won't use on the Ameswali, and the son of the for the party. No, Kennedy Agyapong gave the MPP since 1992 business almost 747 pickups. Kennedy Agyapong gave Adwoa $300,000. Was I almost $3 million? $3 million on Kojo loan or the super canoe, Pombium Nikusa, Kwaku Kyei. Kennedy Agyapong 40-feet container. Look at the kind of things for the bread the MPP. A brew honor. Say Kennedy lose come or Kasau rough what bottom nagging near Juma. Where see the kind of things they said about him? I'm a buziapa. Your friend Albert Amir, Ghana Maritime on ye. A drew some more Kwaku to this internal elections. Maybe see no business, but I did go beyond because of you. Offer was on the support armor over a friend Kennedy Agyapong. Take this for me. Tama Bawumia campaign team be drew.
Yeah.
I buy for Cabo says Aquana I endorse you Bawumia or moon sim free muma. And also there be on one year survive endorse so be so catching the delegates they say baby what be children Profako. Obedia say and that year to about Kwasi senior high school wenchi. You have a scientific there too. You have the current attorney general Podami. Who's of wenchi? Why wenchi they came and told the delegates say Akufo Addo say won't mean Albert in Yajma into a month to a farmer could do for the pong. Who come when she was one? From one in the person by lady. Oh, bet me one moment to capture and often constituency. But don't know. Say party a busy at Busia party. Busia is the founding father of the NPP. Busia, the Kumwenti, and the seat, it doesn't belong to the NPP. It belongs to the NDC. Young guy, or man for what you do, said this guy can capture and wrestle power for the NPP and capture the seat for them. Yes, Akufo Addo said they're going to need Nyajuma.
It is how meant me no Nyajuma, meant me no Nyajuma, meant me no Nyajuma, and so the Nippon be no woman lose whom sitting. And yes, one more whom would know. One better that Gangia be true, three more parent me now become one power. 2020 crab quite say, one more bow. Oh, it's in Yamana air cost one more yen bitia say, Sam at 12 bar me boba for no woman tea, woman dear, yet the year can woman till Miss Kojo. Say you can woman till no so more Akoto by my Bawumia, said the Biamica. Yeah, Mrs. Adie that will be a baby, and then you know so will be a becan be a. So now part in the constitution, and near my woman and party no asha de kurukire say yem hweso niemfa nsum Ghana for no ya article 2 ha de bia meka me say wonko akora na party wom so de be ya adwuma enka no kora no nka o man no ka be di yie but nipa ba kunti ko hwet ekwan ofa so de Bawumia kora ba ya obu party mraso eti nipa no ane foforo kora de ne ba ne obu party mraso no eye den ena ene wono nso eye bibia waye no ne kwan so oh eti ya de tede Franco kanu me Eugene Boakye antwi ene afoforo no wo na wo maka ni nyina no ebra so se wo mu nyina mra out wo mu nyina wo mu mra out na de wo mu nim bia wo mu meka ne yanuanum binum no wo mu hunu se enye so wotan ene obi tan obi na ye ba the reality on ground eno ne yebeka ama nipa ehun if it's at the end of the day no said the Lawrence esi eye oban no ebia ne kokoduru baabi no Lawrence ni oni ho de wo ye bia no se so abapa ye ne ayaka akiri ye ne yefa eso ababone a ye ne yefa eti de na Akufo Addo any party fo no na sese wo mo de wo mo ye bia no wo mo ye ma e ba beduru brebia yen timamu fo no ye ne yeso so aba from Kwame Nkrumah penso babeto John Mame ko 122 million you know and 740 uti free more about 620 within 8 years
742
I saw uti free more 42 into uti free more about 620 million musema yenka ho asem but nipa no wode ne Bawumia ba hwensem a wo kama Ghana fo ensem a wo kama president Akufo no gitu mu enti woni party card kura wo mo ye ya ye de ne ba etimi de ene wo mo yi bia yeso wo mo ba be ko work bi na work no a wo mo be kro no umso be ko no Fijai second school bi mu central region ho be ana say western region
amoko work I think NPP na ye ne work
NPP Kennedy Agyapong no kro mpo no hwa obeka so na presidential candidate wono ne picture ena kakraka ena Bawumia ne napo etita akire mo se mugu abapa presidential candidate no wo ho wone ne running mate wo ho no but MPB a wono wo se wonko biemu no wono na mo de ne picture aba beto se amanfo hwe no ne yemra work de mention presidential candidate no wo ho MPB a wono obe standi bi a ya nto ama no ensemu amoka ye ni nyina akire ene wono ena mo se so ama me lead dia ene ade ne ego etimi me ka kire Ghana fo no so wo MPP fo wo ma de sekan wo mo ye mo awie enti enso ye ntwem fam
so manifesto they should even throw it away because it has lost its relevance you know yes party constitution meba obi a yemfa ne se ne if NPP party ni ye adwuma pa obi betimi atena se aka kire say he's trying to make changes or you majority leader the FUO without consulting the neck, without having a round discussion issues, without having dialogue. How is it going to be possible?
And as woman so woman preso crowd you time you also obey no and no one obey.
I want to walk. But I want to talk
say rubber stamp.
And you see me, who president I did about Kwanan Kebem Japan Akufo Addo when president. But 2016, me baffin no 4 years. Santa kama wono kwa na see mfane mani mfane nimusuo ma Akufo ni president
say ya na me kan to da o mka asem
they painted John Dramani Mahama to be a bad person. They painted John Mahama to be an evil and a devil in Ghana. mama me just atem ko hu mama kwa mpeso be hwe nim kura
eno tina de no wo ka bia no obi antie no
yeah Kojo me say the kind of things they said about mama on me say that me hu mama me pana I'm telling you corruption on the kind of things we said about John Dramani mama on radio me say I saw news catch that me say me wo NDC for frame
Sammy Gyamfi
I said you over omo bisa me say me papa ni John Dramani mama say me see ni ti omo say me ni na temo but the way I me dre papa no say me papa no how am I going to feel omo say I should soften my stance Sammy nimda say na mama we be ko me say Akufo Addo busia phone call mama ye 52
John Mama so Ibrahim Mama fra de so oni aban
George Mutari ba wa pe ene na busu yin ala wa ban me say Akufo Addo busu afọ wa ban ye 52 first na ye 51 the man call 52 is asante be there to say man another position was say ambassador at large is another portfolio into another office 52 me na me catch Akufo Addo busu afọ wa ban ye 52 meaning so aka report ni bi da Gabi so mo papa mo do mu ko school ento mo no obi a qualify na John Mama dey say bush of am ko school ko John Mama na bush of am ko school you kroma mo say family and friends government Akufo to me ma contract the more no ankasa na seba ambulance am mo to me ma abia no so to me the man empana okoro Ghana
yete ho
Ghana corruption na koso wo krom ube bia wo
me say Franco yentu wo mu no body e man bi wo hodmo e mayo
me say
yentu wo mu no
ye twenty to light bill the ma obi e ni pa de light bill yes okay ye ni de light bill e de ma obi e ni pa ya de light bill ni diamond
PDS
ye ni catch ye say ayi ye ba be cocoa rules ni aboka $10 million $10 million oh
just to do investigation
na auditor general ba be catch ye say ade no ko tresi awu
Paulo go dam
ayi Bank of Ghana akose $12 million e wo srem Mahmoud Bawumia say it's a signature project
go takra na ho
well kuma dem dey here Kwajo ye kasa project we offer it is a serious project I wish no joke with it well
okay
me say me kwasi apia ye kwatamale offer na me kwasi apia yes okay me nko hoda ye do ba be fe obupe ye say so red vote or black vote or white
yeah
and nso na yiri and offer amount for die
you are watching
so na cover die ni na wo and amount for to free ho and the almost be free dinosaur as a salmon woman na bi bisa go for second so inso ne toy amount so na yiri dia fa so how look down do you know the main purpose no say if you go to the northern part of Ghana you see a thread dam is a bagre dam was again Burkina Faso of am say omo bia Kwajo go and watch documentary see a big bagre dam na man for dying mu TV no
timi fa dan na so
en kwanketwa ti asem ye en kwanketwa omo tetete dan so the duty and responsibility of politicians is to think about the welfare of their people me adeba ko ba me ye wo bi ase pan se nyankopon se nya be ko bonsam jama he should have a separate fire
for politicians
yes a separate fire say dey near 2% almost 90% for them to feel the heat say the reason why we voted for them is to make sure they have to impact our lives.
Now, while Franco Tifis and Yankopo war when you do say, a Juma Bay Pa na wo who says a Juma we mudie, who cannot cry and Pewasam. Apart from politics. And no Kwani Juma, who cannot cry and Pewasam. Would they steady woman, woman by a PC appeal for it, afraid and they tell you no.
I tell you,
no manocrobo. Woman NDC time, woman I can't crow near Afrida, they see woman. Repisi appeal for it, the Kennedy Agyapong. Politics in Kwani a Juma, Obi or Kanukro Wumbiano, Yem Penasem.
We are better. We are
Minimini or Pompri Yanami. Of Okwabroche 1995. The first time I buy 2001. And I'm fancying in every point I buy. But toss a brain, I'm not to move this. I'm kind of dead man.
Thank you.
Obi na ebi store ene odu obi atena no nipa or no opede obeda obedi no kure kawo na ne beto kai na woni driver ni bia e ba besi ado be kan se masaka na mde ma no de mpa so obedi no kure na driver no so kure kwa ko pemeti ya ono so kure pemeti ya ono so bedi no kure politics nko ani adwuma obi obeka no kure bia ye mpenase ni titro ni Africa broni timi kokoma statement kwa asemba ho a wono ani nkofo mpotimi kase masa de ya ko no resign
Joe Biden
wono ani nkofo no batenye yeye die kyerese yeye die wo betwa ntro ni hero na nka boa papo we ye bekwa command position boa papo no kura ba kokora won kada no yeso no se wama ayi se kusi jabin o se wama no se 2 weeks se no ye na dia e ba so no aboa papo no ye na dia
so almost we fixing the country movement
fixing the country Pualugu dam no dia fixing the Pualugu dam no dia and dia won ka fixing the cathedral oh said you city obi de wo mu hu but wo ma de wo mu hu wo mo me ya fixing the cathedral no me ya fixing the Pualugu dam and no na ne ehunu se wo mo ye do ma ma hwe school dan ya wasisi a nkofo we ati sa de ya me ya pa o wo se de bia m kan wo se me ya me ya papa
school dan aka nwura mu
school dan ya aka nwura mu ne purpose pa de say enye ne bottom sika no de kwaje ayi wo man ni dinim na eda ye ne ye nchirima ho na wo mo so ye de wo mo pe etimi de
what say you jim bo champion some worker is dangerous and it is recipe for disaster it's more he can on and too dangerous, extremely dangerous for the new patriotic party we were done so be
okay
just more can you were done so be
yeah
he has been a member of parliament and still a member of parliament for Subin
okay
and a deputy minister open nipa ba in opposition
yeah
na Akufo Addo okwa UK okwa tran in Kenya e Eugene bo champion
oh wow
so he knows Akufo Addo through and through onimniye
okay and
at the first time of another danko Akufo Addo he was a deputy minister
yeah
he was a deputy minister the problem onya yi nyina ne so oyi nanim so de na support kwa come along Kojo Kyeremanteng
using what champion
the problem no go and look at the track record the kind of interviews away was say NPP then it is a lie and we mean that promise so being can just wo kwa we chibe jana how we are going to fight against the person or say it is a tradition and their tradition no they don't know any person who is an alien Dr. Bawumia
okay
Bawumia was never an NPP person state this on record never an NPP person so your NPP person and kataba nkomo pe waiver their man special dispensation can yaduma
okay
because you say the person here the flag banner the running meter you should be in a good position in good standing for 5 years
okay
and if you look at Dr. Bawumia because they're not only good standing for 5 years they have to give him a waiver and Bawumia no only true and he's an alien he's an adopted child to the new patriotic party
okay
you think some all can Kojo and some work can a dangerous now me can say now one to me say already say chairman Sabunsu they have used him they have dumped him and then you just confirm their man
yeah
me can't NPP for so Franco you want to create a certain kind of impression I don't want any answer and answer they me say I always tell you this Ejapade book is never a fiction it's never concocted it's never a dream and your imagination Kojo of a bio Ejapade book no e ba be sia asem no so mo Kojo omo dia me say this purpose of this book apart from some economic and financial resources no the main motive of this book is to suppress the Ashantis omo me diagro
okay
no me diagro we oni ba ho so do diagro wi no na e too late we say what case that me catch them say chairman Sabunsu of no nim so me pam na free parliament no nim so me pam so me majority de omo here free so the meeting happened at cantonments because they say be NPP
okay
anything about the new patriotic party ye deep said you be wo ho mo mpema asem say me kan okre no e be so NPP mo so me godfather say they will tell you the truth say asem we say na ekoso nti kan okre fa kire
yeah
me say the meet omo ye no guard office
e wo cantonment
and they decided say be dem na do ni die chairman Sabunsu so mo jan kwan they set a trap for chairman Sabunsu but na man so bisa ho say aditi Ken Ofori Atta tama na on tiapo e do so mo ready budget no Omama obi an ko ready budget ni say owre afa ni chairman Sabunsu
no na deputy nsukura ni
ho na me ba no
yeah no mo say ono na e bia wa war parliament a che wa amanyese mu a che this is what they told us
me say it was a trap a war calculated rehearsed plan party executed and I'm going to tell you ene ye fan say Kojo in terms of corporate settings na ye minister na ye fan say bia Oscar na ye deputy na mo tena say etimi plan budget wie na say fan say bia onti akwa who should be the person who should go and read the budget
deputy
thank you Why do they make sure they will obscure from him and give to Chairman Sabos to go and read? What is our question of answer Yamai? They are tossing me. Chairman Sabos, the trap they set for him, they say, or can't budget you know. Go and look at accolades among for boy about mass. Oh, Chairman Sabos, Ukrainian power, finance minister, boy, have been what we saw a church in Semuno. And they created a certain kind of impression, say, Chairman Sabos, person, no Babia finance minister. See, the Chairman Sabos, to say, eh, be an any no Akufo Bidiaba, now man for Bonnie Panabaso, no Macas ah, Kojo cry and I say, every Thursday say air classic, Franco, oh, you work for the Oscar Babbitt now. Thank you. And open Papa Akufo Addo penasem ni wi asa one kasa no offer Ken Ofori Atta. Ken Ofori Atta in opposition. He gave the New Patriotic Party a lot of financial support to do their campaign. Okay. Papa when the Kwaku Busa Free Prudential Bank, NPP do headquarters go see our Papa dey go PS scan. And if you look at bond socialization between Akufo Addo, you can never underestimate it. And if you look at Chairman Sabonswa, after say a certain trap remain here, and we say there Chairman Sabonswa Kwaku dim commercial on your finance minister now pay. Almost said money for so. Open nipa ba ko a, just want make can put this on record. On fast semun chenipa. Now yeah, they no cast will be or no you na say you come after you Akufo Addo.
That make an was.
I'm going to give you a typical example. Asem do reka bia kase Franco say. Ya ko talk about Akufo conference. Okay. Udu grounds ho a. Na obia was tilting for team. Now it was Freddie Blake in team. Okay. Something now Freddie Blake. After Pomo Afoko, Freddie Blake take over Bawumia power. Okay. Yes. Bawumia meeting in the Akufo do be 10 a.m. Before Akufo Addo ban, the grounds in the night was going for team. Obia say in team a play. Or for me be here. No more cash. We have government appointees. No. I will tell me that day I was lucky because he was an MC. No catch him. Say me Asama me can kase Franco say Akufo Addo threatened them so man to aba mfa ma wura efe ne Freddie play na say intim weni aba na omu position we tiri na dia free himself. I'm saying this with authority now to Obi me say yo me so Obi see you me say, and this was the statement he made me so come here as you hwe so she dey go appointees bia ho pre omu ko by around 2 p.m. na the grounds asesa grounds no asesa. And it tells you, say, these are the kind of things they cost. What's saying? In doing this, we need to be strategic. Where you pay John offer? John say, we have to work with other people from some of the diverse ethnic groups. Okay. Including some carefully selected from the Ashanti and other diverse ethnicities or lands. This will make them feel they also have a hand in the pie. Almost say, almost tenacity. Okay. Almost selected. Ebi akobe ko bono be bia frimu akobe bia frimu nemu e ba Santa region ana Santa fo no e so mutimi hwemu di select yi nkofo bi omu hi sa nkofo be se na asa nkofo de kan ho akwa se dia biane aba na nyi se nyaye mamedi ye se ba be de ne ya koma Oscar so they obscure from ye nyina no na akwa koma Oscar so Oscar ni and tama Santa fo ni be bom ho so no say be they are part of the pie no na you too late and it is here or say
it will obscure any suspicion that the project is essentially an Ofori project.
Thank you.
This point is crucial because with electoral politics, we have to have our eyes on the numbers in the electoral process. We cannot be blatant until we are completely secure in the endeavor. It is especially so because so far the Asantes constitute the single most populous ethnic group in the country.
Thank you. The person change and say, on the Asante phone bet me diagro.
But the demo at the fed FM.
On what you me diagro.
Okay.
Thank you. And you be say Chairman Sabonswa. Open Papa Kwenda Akufo Addo. He has sacrificed a lot, has shown commitment for Akufo Addo and Papa. And I'm going to tell you, of our Kaya, some of them pass E-levy. The NPP brought an incapacitated MP. When you say incapacitated, Obi Oyari want to mean here. Kaya former minister for chieftaincy. Sahaba pan no fi hanta ho baby. No Oyari need to ambulance
in the parliament.
Yes, some never tena wheelchair no man be to about for E-levy. E Chairman Sabonswa yes ejuma. Now, if you look at Adwoa Safo, you the imposter be by.
Yeah.
Say Adwoa Safo.
Sasa mnukuredi entipa na kana yentimi antwaso. Over say obi a enyo no impersonation say enukranka impersonation say wo me kokko present me ho say me ne Franco no ekoye bibia na establish say enya me ne Franco no an. E de na sese ye.
You wait for because this news so and our head on so we now subscribe ya bomodi say over subscribe na wa like na feel so wa share video ama ofoforo so enye bi na wa hwe also betimi a share wa dia Afriyie and so we na ho I will comment box mu obeti nkabi in my next video.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.